children. Today we are learning science, and our lesson is about solids, liquids, and gases. If you haven't seen the video that I uploaded on Classera, please go back and watch that video first and then come here. What are solids, liquids, and gases? Before I start with this lesson, I'm gonna ask you something. Do you remember what's the meaning of this word? Matter? What is matter? I'll give you a minute. Everything around us is matter. I am matter. You are matter. Your desk is matter. Your book is matter. Your pencil, even if it's small, it's matter. The air that you breathe is matter. The water is matter. Everything that takes up space is matter. So, if you remember this one, so good job. So, what are the kinds of matter? What does it look like? Matter has 3 states, or we can say 3 forms: solid, liquid, and gas. The solid is like your desk, like your book, like your pencil. Like me, I am solid. I have a shape. But how about water? Does it have its own shape? Does it have like a heart shape or a triangle? No. Water takes the shape of the container that you put it in it. If you put it in a water bottle, it's gonna take the shape of the water bottle. If you put it in a plate, it's gonna take the shape of the plate. And gas also doesn't have a shape. You never see a heart of gas walking around, right? Gas takes the shape of the container. For example, if you put some gas inside a balloon, it's gonna take the shape of the balloon. And water does not have its own shape. It flows. Water flows. Not only water, also juice, also oil. All of these are liquids. And gases, they spread around. Spread like when you spray some perfume, you're gonna smell it in the end of the room because it's spread. It doesn't stay in one place. It doesn't have a shape. So it's spread. That means goes all over the place. Look at the girl who's drinking water in this picture. She is solid, the water is liquid, and the gas around her, the air around her, is a gas. The question here, how is water different from stone and metal? Water, it doesn't have its own shape. It's not like the stone. Stone is like a type of rock. And it's not like metal. If you take the water and you spill it in the floor, it's gonna flow. If you put it inside a water bottle, it's gonna take the shape of the water bottle. But if you take the stone and you put it inside anything, it's not gonna take the shape. It has its own shape. It's gonna keep it. She's gonna say, my shape, I'm gonna keep it. It's not gonna change. It all matters. Look at this picture. Towels, water, balloons. Are they all the same? Of course not. Some of them are solids, like the towels. The balloons are solid, but what inside it is not. All of them are types of matter. Matter is anything that takes up space. And not only that, also anything that has a mass. And this is a new word for you. Mass. Mass Let me introduce this word for you. I have here a tool. Let's see. Do you remember what is this? If you guessed it, so good job. It's a balance. I'm gonna use this balance to compare between two objects. Which one is heavier? Or we can say, which one has a bigger mass? It has a bigger mass. For example, if I put the apple here, and here I'm gonna put, I can put the paper clip. I can put the paper clip here. Which one do you think is heavier? The apple, of course. Good job. And the balance is not. They are not equal. So the apple is heavier, or we can say it has more mass. The word mass means, let's go back here. Mass is the amount of matter that something has. The amount of matter that something has. Matter may be different. Different kinds of matter, we said. Solids, liquids, gases. But they are all matter. Circle 3 things in this picture that are made of matter. We can circle the ball. It is a solid that has air in it. The air inside is a gas. You can put a circle around the boy. You can put a circle around the juice. Can you see the juice? This is solid ولا liquid ولا gas? What do you think? It takes the shape of the glass. It's a liquid. It's like water. It's a liquid.